Woodco Building Products has been a trusted name in the building products industry for more than 40 years. They do replacement windows, doors, and they even have a pamphlet on how to choose the right company when you're getting ready to make that investment. Tell us a little bit about what you've got here for us.
Well, Adam, ever since we helped the Texoma area rebuild from the tornado of '79, replacement windows has become more and more of a percentage of our base window business. And over the years, we have really helped a lot of folks understand what is all involved in that replacement window decision. And so this is what we've come up with, a little pamphlet here that talks about, it's got some tips on how to pick the windows and about the company that you should pick. And you know, you do want to pick a company that specializes in the window industry. You want to pick a company that has a great reputation, has been around locally for a long time, and has staying power for serviceability in the future. And you also want one that's easy to do business with.
Yeah. And do business with around here, because our window preferences and needs here in North Texas and Southern Oklahoma are sort of unique to us kind of out here on the prairie, like I like to say. And so having somebody who's done replacement windows in this area, how much of a benefit can that be?
Well, we do know the area. We do know it well enough to say this. We've been here long enough to see folks our soldiers come through the Air Force Base 3 times on 3 different tours.
Oh, okay.
And we asked them, why in the world do you want to come back to Wichita Falls? It's a question we're all dying to know the answer to, right? Well, we're 100% certain that answer is never because of the weather.
Yeah.
And so we know that we have some pretty extreme weather here in Wichita Falls, and let me tell you, quality replacement windows are a great way to add comfort of living to your home. Most people think about their, you know, just the financial part of the lowering the electrical bill or adding value to their home. You know, one of the most important things that people get out of quality replacement windows from Woodco Supply is their comfort of living. It eliminates the cool zones and hot spots in those houses, and for a more climate controllable area. And that's one of the best feedbacks that we get, because it's an intangible that people don't often think about when they consider the replacement window decision.
That's at Woodco Building Products. We've been talking with Chuck Vergauwen about the decisions, the things you need to think about when making the decision to make a good choice for quality replacement windows in your home. Thanks, Chuck.
You bet. Thank you, Adam.